The National Weather Service in Detroit Pontiac has issued a
special weather statement for mostly all southeastern Michigan, except Lapeer, Sanilac, and St. Clair counties north. So as you see, clusters of snow showers and wintry mix move across the area during the late afternoon. Snow showers may mix with snow pellets and freezing drizzle rain at times. A quick inch of accumulation is possible from 3 p.m. to 6 p.m. So we only hazardous driving conditions are possible with the system that is coming in. So let's go ahead and look at radar. Radar imagery right now is showing constant snow showers across all of southeastern Michigan with that rain and freezing rain actually just south of the state line. You see this streak here between Utica and New Baltimore? That's where the heaviest snow is picking up. So around Clinton Township, Mount Clemens area, it's so steady. We're going to be going out there actually pretty soon. It's going to drop a quick inch or two, so I'll show you the entire state is basically in snow. So I'll let you guys know, I'm going to go out there right now, actually. Here we go. Okay, guys, this is the aftermath of the winter storm that came through. I'm not sure if I want to call it a winter storm, but I'm going to call it a winter storm just for funsies. As you see, I shoveled that way and that way. I'm not trying to show my street name. My car is literally completely shoveled. This car has so much snow on it. We're going to get inside, actually, and we're going to get this thing shoveled off. Here, ready? 3, 2, 1. I think I'll slam it first. Okay, that did really nothing. Yeah, it's a little bad in here. I'm gonna go start this thing. Okay. Started it. Make sure the seat warmers are also on that one, at least, because there's a lot of snow here. Okay, here, let me sit in it real fast. Oh, wow. Oh, jeez. I'm gonna put it on low. Okay. My guys, we gotta go. Whoa, there's ice everywhere. Ah. This car is so much snow on it. Oh, look at the wind. Look at the moon. Look at the lights. That's so funny. Oh my god, look at the... Ugh. Because the car is slightly warming. It's not really warming up. Ah, they both fell in. Alright. Yeah, it's actually doing alright. You're gonna put it into reverse. Okay. Guys, why are we making a left turn? This isn't a car video, guys. Excuse me. Okay, fam. As you see, trying to make a left turn, it's not working. Alright, let's go and turn off. Okay. Make sure you... Okay. So now the car is completely unsnowed off. There's not really a lot of snow in it. Ow. Yeah, let's see. The windshield. It's really cold. It is still trying to snow. You guys, I'll be back Probably Wednesday. I'll make another couple videos before that. The winter storms here Wednesday night, I think Thursday.